Double whammy. Hey guys, Jamaican shore fishing guys, welcome back to the channel. Back at it again, and I have a surprise visitor for you guys today. My surprise visitor is here, guys. Today we plan on doing some diving and we plan on doing some fishing, and we're here today, guys. And a long time without link up. Bonafide brethren, see me. The boss there, you know.
Yeah, man, people, you know.
Yeah.
They do some red fishing in the morning at the river. Yeah, so you can catch. I don't know what thing, guys. It's a very everyday thing.
Yeah.
Dive, so I'm here to learn. Yeah,
so
man,
we're outside, guys, and we're out here and we're just going to mash up a thing today. See some big fish that spool around that place, and we'll just take the time and sneak up on them and drop 2 lines on the head top. You see it? Outside, guys. Yeah, guys, so I was actually trying the thing in that tree up there a while ago. That wasn't working out very well. Yeah, guys, we're hunting for snooks. Yeah? I haven't gotten any chases yet, but what I'm trying to do is bring him out. So I'm working the corners and working the river across. If you look at that lure swimming, trying to get their attention coming out. So I have a high vis lure, high visibility green Yazori crystal minnow. Big up to John Gala from Texas, sent me a whole bunch of nice lures. These are very expensive lures, guys. They work really good. You can look at their designs, how they design. So you see that color, that design, the eyeballs and everything look realistic. So when I use these in the water, it brings that fish out of that grass, it brings him out of that mangrove, it brings him out, gets their attention, and that color gets their attention. So they just grab, snap, and that's it. So you try to hunt those bushes because they hide underneath the bushes, and then they come out in the morning, they come out on the hunt. Yeah. So what we're doing, we're going to work the river up a little bit till we reach to a low spot, because there's mangrove snappers in here that's pretty big, bro. Yeah. Big mangrove. I've caught mangrove snappers, red snappers, I've caught jackfish, and I've caught a couple other species here in this river. Even mudfish. Yeah. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys, until we hook up something big. Yeah, guys, I've hooked snappers, I've hooked snooks, I've hooked all kinds of creatures out here. And that is a bush and hiding, Anthony. And that, all of them bush here. So I try to get that lure in there, twitch it. And when you bring it back, each time you spin, you twitch. When you get a full circle, twitch. This way though, look. Try not to overhead cast. You go side cast, look, like so. You try not to put too much, and then you have to just watch so you don't drop over nothing. You understand? And just work it. You know, swing feet through, you know. Just a swing feet drop to a spot. Catch leaf. See? When you overhead cast, what happen? Tend to hook on bushes. Unwrap the tip. Lock the bail, close the bail, the wire, close it, unwrap the tip. You kind of tangle up. Surprised this Yazori ain't picked nothing up yet, how good they're built. Yazori always picks something up. Aye, perfect, bro, perfect. Good cast. That swim, you see it, that swim? Yeah. Sometimes you use a tip and just manipulate that swim like this, look. You just toke it, just give it a little, so you can short cast and look. Short casting is like this. You don't have to go all the way back. You just quick whip out your finger, but you have to make sure you have 1 foot off. You have a little thing off our leader. So like this, look, the space between the leader and the swivel like that. Yeah, so you can just go, so look now. Whoop, right there, you're good. You're getting it, bro. After a while, you just get real accurate, bro. And just get real accurate after a while. After a period of time, you get good. See, in tight places like this to cast, you learn to cast better. But you see, when you're in wide open places where you can't cast any time, you're not going to cast so good when you go in a tight spot. Yeah, guys, so me and Anthony here. We're casting some lures, checking this river out to see what's here. We're heading over to the ocean side in a second to get set up. We're just giving it a little bit of time. Check this river first. Waving our options to see what we can pick up. Maybe we can pick up one of these snooks over here or not. Yeah man, Anthony, drop one line, peoples. Yeah man, see that? Have the floater ball. Perfect, Anthony, right there. Just left him, just set your line. Just let out some line now. So the floater ball now move to you when you set the rod. And then once you set the rod, then you put tension. You don't even put tension, because floater you use. Right, that's all. Lock the line, put in your rod stand now and you go on the road. Yeah guys, so Anthony, I do a local drop line fishing. Actually, yeah, floater ball fishing. So you must set a line. Yeah man, that's how if you stay. Oh. Yeah. So if you stay, same way so. So when you drop in, you go so. Look, no. No man, that good man, that not go nowhere. Left it, that good. Right there. Just like that. So it not go nowhere. Oh. So once the fish bite now, you see the floater ball sink. Yeah. So you know it's the ropes. So a bait set down there, no, brother, and so once he buck up in that now, you know, no tension on the line for bother him. None of that, they know they for provoke him. So when he buck up in the line now, he must say, oh, I want this shrimp here, they don't yes, I do. I'm going to go grab the damn shrimp in the idea. You get knocked, you know. So when I do, I throw the heads them in the water, I chum up the water so the scent can go down the river, so them know so they smell. Yeah. Smell your hand. Smell the shrimp on your finger. You see? So, what you do, you try chum the water. At least give them something. If you know, say, food they bout, they need to come up and come eat. You understand? Yeah. See, once they start hear the little splashings and then the little tastings, and I see other fish eat, they must smell the feed in the water. Get them in a little frenzy. So what you want to do is get them in a little frenzy, Anthony. And make them know say food in the area. Yeah. Blood clean, I want going up there so tup, and start grab. That I trick, you know. Then start grab now. Then see say rotted food in the water. You see all sorts of species start come out from everywhere now once they know say food there so. Go around there some chaos after. Yeah guys. I've seen some monsters down there, but I haven't caught any yet. Oh. But I'm trying. Okay, good luck. Nothing tried, nothing done, right? Yeah. Here guys, so I had to get a handful of shrimp, bait the water up, see if we can pull this fish out of his natural character. So I him that natural. Eh? Eh? Can I see? Just take your time and go in, man. Can I see? Yeah guys, spot 2, just reach over one of my other spots, just checking out. It's no good for shooting today. Me and Anthony's out, we're planning on shooting and fishing at the same time. The visual is very bad when it comes to water right now because we've been getting a little weather. So Rasta and this one on the left here, it looks like there's nothing not going out there. You see me? I don't know where I'm going. Online. Yeah, the man have fish whole night, you know, man. The man are there till 4 o'clock. Tell me, say, sit and go on phone today. Rough? So you said drop line, you don't make no sense to drop line today. You look here. Yeah, I think about the night cove. Yeah. Hey, they not go there so close to them where they are, you know? You probably find a juvenile or two. Cartel, how much shot fire? How much fish dead? Hell, how much fish you kill per morning? What? All over river me now, me score 3 by now, dead as rats. Me see one snook over there look about 20 odd pound to rat. One snook, we dive in the river with the, my brethren dive. My brethren dive off in the river with the gun. Could he see nothing past the gun tip? Everything mash up right now. Right now it don't make no sense me even cast lure in this, the problems. Hey, me like your wheelbarrow. Yeah, man. It bossy, man. Straight, clean everything on the road. Anthony! Hey, where your camera? Look what that wheelbarrow, you know. Bossy. Water, dirty. Look on the water condition, Anthony. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Spot like whoa! Jamaican shore fishing, peoples. Look here, look here, look here! Hey, run, come here! Here, guys. We get a little bit of action from long jaws, guys. Look, Rod, look. Holy shit, look at him.
3 of them, 4,
5. I'm going too fast with it. Oh, he hit it, but he missed. He hit it and missed. I'm gonna put my wire lead on. I don't look at the sprats. Look at all the sprats in the water. Damn, and I left my cast in it. I got fish on. Hey guys, I just caught a lizard fish a while ago on this big lure. Let's get this lure back out there again, guys. Pick something bigger up. Yeah, guys. Rod got something on. Go get him, Rod. You got a snap. You got a jack. Woo! Get him.
First cast on that rod.
First cast, you got him. Get him. Watch that flip rod and watch your hand. Let me get the pliers. Be careful.
Yeah, I got him hooked twice.
Yeah, let me get the pliers because I don't want you to get hooked. I got a hook in my hand the other day and it was horrible.
Yeah, and they're super sharp. That's a brand new rod.
They're horrible.
Brand new rod.
Sorry, bud. I got my pliers. Yeah, they're horrible.
Ball on that one, see?
Nah, I heard it. I was like, what the hell? Good
Jack.
I got him. Let me get the hook out of his mouth. Good, so he don't flip on you. Let me get this hook out first. There you go. Oh shit, this is a 110 SP. Every time I see triple hook, I think about 110s. Holy fudge bucket, he hooked good. Boy, you wasn't gonna live.
Bit overkill, man.
Yeah, you're not gonna live.
I have to hook him 3 times. He's not that big.
Look at that, guys.
Right on.
Rod got this jack. Look at that.
My first jack. Now I'm gonna try to catch one. Daddy jack.
Big jack.
Baby jack.
Baby jack.
Yeah.
Baby shark.
That was the first cast on this one, though.
Yep, good deal.
Shadow rock.
I told you that white, remember I put the white in earlier and I said that white will get their attention? But that white and silver is definitely good. Johan? Johan for his box. Here, guys. Johan got them in the box. Oh, there's a fight going on in there.
Yeah, that was just, I just had him. That was right off the
That's
hop.
good shot, dude. Good shot, guys. Hey, guys. Rod got something on the lure a while ago. I just seen the rod bent up and I'm like, oh, you got something? That's your first, Jack?
Yeah.
You get a bigger one, dude, you're going to be in for a fight. You're going to be in for a fight. That's a little one. I caught a 5-pound one like that the other day.
They're like little footballs.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we out with Anthony spearfishing, guys. We doing lure. And Anthony's diving. Rod just hit a jack on that a while ago. That was pretty cool. Good hit, guys. So it's 1 for 1 today, Rod. 1 to 1. One lizard fish versus a jack. Hey, the lizard fish are rare though.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're rare catch. Yeah. Oh shit, I'm gonna hook Anthony. I'm not. You probably see the fish move after the lure and shoot it. Oh, you see that? You see that on the water top a while ago? Something went after it and missed. Yeah, right there, that big pool. Cast out there. I got him. Go get him, Jerry. You know what gets me in lure fishing? That first hit.
Yeah.
When they hit that shit. Woohoo!
I feel like when I tied that, I was ready. I was just sitting back and eating my bun and my cheese. I was happy. And now I'm like, now I just wanted to back right like I was ready. I'm like, I'm good. I was gonna have a beer maybe.
Oh, careful.
I'm catching myself.
Yeah, careful.
See, I'm all jacked now.
Yeah, he's ready to go, guys. Ready to catch a big fish. Yeah, we're just using light setups. Getting out there. You hook yourself again? Anthony's out there definitely looking for some lobsters for us.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's hunting lobsters. So we probably get to roast a couple of lobsters, bud.
They're reef dwellers, yeah?
Yeah. They dwell in reefs and rocks, underneath places like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got another long jaw. You know they taste pretty good too. The galleons?
Yeah.
Yeah, they taste pretty good. The galleys, or whatever you call them. I got a hit in that spot where the lure's at right now, and I don't know why he's not going for it. He missed.
We scored them all. Anthony scored them all. They both got 1 up to 1. And Anthony got 5 to 2.
Huh? Hey guys, here in the grill. Going out. Oh, I just hit that bird.
Did you hit him?
oh shit.
And then give it another 200 casts and you couldn't do it again.
That's crazy.
So half for each one. A couple of those ones are smaller, but yeah, because we got made up 6 hooks. So. You know what though? I think I might.
Oh shit, fish on.
Fish on already.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Oh, fish on. Anthony! Fish on!
Just put it out, man. Hasn't been out for 2 minutes.
Fish on, guys. Good fish too. I don't know yet, Anthony. I just got hooked up, bro. I'm coming in now.
Come in.
Yeah, I'm coming in. I just dropped the line on the water. 2 of them. I got.
Oh, double.
Oh, yeah. Double whammy. Yeah, guys. Double whammy.
That's because my slip that I cut up.
Jamaican shore fishing, guys. As it landed in the water, it just took off. Hey guys, so just got some jack. Ready to throw these in the cooler, guys. We're gonna have a nice lunch today. Fishing for lunch with Rod. Wow, look at this one, Rod. Yeah.
That would make noise.
Open the cooler.
Yeah,
Open the cooler, Larry. Let me get him in the cooler. Let me get him in the bottom. You gotta let me get him under the bags.
you know what? There's 2 bags on this. Take one of the bags off of this. And use the bag. There you go. Drop him in there like that.
He's gonna make a mess.
Okay.
Mine, you hook yourself.
I got him in there.
Oh, nice. What? Yeah, sprat. There's sprats all through. I told you this, bro.
Wait.
I told you that down here is full of them. This way I come all the time.
You see them, man?
Huh? He took his wife pepperoni sticks.
I don't give my wife the pepperoni on the
Oh my god, I need to get a new rod. This rod is screwed.
Oh.
The handle is messed up now.
You shrimp?
No, the handle is messed up.
Oh.
I got some tape or something. Tape that up.
Hey.
You not setting your line, Rod?
Hey,
Get your line
I'll
out.
just get some shrimp here ready and then I'll...
Alright, that should be it. Just get your line out, man. You ain't gotta peel so much. Just put them back in there so they stay fresh. They don't spoil so easy. So you don't lose fishing time. And you're picking something up. Hey guys. Yeah, bro, there's a rig right there for you. Right there. Hey guys, we're gonna get this line back in the water again. Alright, get this line out there again. Look at that 10-footer, guys. Bam! Drop on the ground. By the time it hit the ground, guys, that line went off like a gunshot earlier. Drop line fishing in the grill with Anthony Spearfishing, my buddy Rod. He's here from Canada, guys, getting some sunlight.
Will you put these on like a jig tail? Just kind of feed them on?
Yeah, no, what you do is just double pin it. Oh, I'm getting hit again. Getting hit. Fish on. Fish on.
Oh,
Fish on.
Full ones on, that's why.
Fish on again, guys.
Beauty.
Anthony put a rig on and drop some line with bait. I want to throw lures too, buddy, but oh no, he came off.
When you lose one, you're allowed to say that. That's the rule.
Careful, buddy. Just watch your cast when you cast now. Just remember we're around you, all right?
Yeah.
No, it's telling
Where are you
Anthony.
at, buddy? Are you out there even right now?
No, I'm not out. I'm in.
Well, you know what? I better wipe my hands before I do this.
Watch my back. Watch your back.
back.
All right, going out. I'm getting hit out there pretty good. I should have brought on my lighter rod if I knew I was going to be casting so much. Yeah, bait's gone. Yeah, it makes no sense me putting this. Yeah, you can leave it there in the rod stand. I'm gonna lean this up and just bait it up again and send it back out. What you do, Rod, just keep this up here on this thing so it's up so we don't have to be bending so much. Right here. Oh, it's pretty high.
You know what? I'm gonna get some.
And let me get my other knife out so we can continue. Oh, I have the bait knife is in here.
Yeah, it's in the bottom.
Yeah. So watch this, Rod, how I pin it like this. So I basically go sideways with it, pin one side, and then come around and just pin the other side like this. Yeah, I do a double pin on it like this. So I use a half and half, so I'm not wasting so much shrimp, and I can maximize the amount of catching I'm catching here. Because it's
For these suckers, man, you put them out there, they're gone right away.
right away.
For anything big.
Yeah. As soon as it hits the water, they're hitting it. Oh shoot. Rod got fish on, guys.
Yes, what?
Yeah.
Just little.
Ah. Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Where's the oh, cut board? That's why it's on the ground.
Yeah.
Heads up. There you go. Here's Jamaican shore fishing. Glass nose, whiting, or whatever you want to call them. Just caught one of them, guys. Yeah, guys, we're here in Negril, Jamaica, on the pier. Me and Anthony spearfishing. We done shot a few fish, caught a few fish, and fish and fish and fish. So that's what's up, guys. Killing them. Barry, you know, a plastic bag where you put in there. Plastic bag where you put in there with the lobster and everything. Some say some more jackfish up yourself and you want to roast them up, you know. Yeah, man, guys. Fish them season up, Anthony. Gonna go season up, Anthony. I deal with that now. We have a little small fire light on the pier, which we're not technically supposed to do, but we're up on a mall heap, so we're gonna clean it up after we finish, guys. We're not trying to burn up the place. Yes, our Negril simple. We're out here, so guys, and we're here, and we got this couple of fish roast on the fire. We have Rod here from Canada. Yep, he's here chilling. Laurie's here from Jamaica. She's here chilling. She don't like to be on.
Jamaica?
She talks shit, but she don't want all the way from Jamaica, but she don't want to be on video. I don't understand. She's always in my videos. So not scaling fish. They hear this now, peoples. So me and Anthony spearfishing here, guys. Please go over to the channel, like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. We just here doing some fishing in the grill, up on the pier, and I go and match up a crime. You see it? So this is our nice little vibes that go on, guys. So just there going. Yeah, guys. So we're here, guys, in the grill, man, and we just here chill out. Me and Larry them a chill out, and see my brother here, so Rasta Mikey, you don't know, but Rasta Mikey there, so guys, in the glass bottom boat, same thing, just link up on him thing and see number upon the thing, guys. So yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. So check out Rasta Mikey, guys, in there on the thing, and can come on Negril and jump on your glass bottom boat and thing. And we carry up the river same way, you know, guys, right up the same river, carry right round, then you carry down on the 7 mile tour and carry down here, so guys, and you can do your thing. So anytime you come on Negril, guys, go so. You don't know, so Jenna have a glass bottom boat. Negril pier set up like this. Boom. It's rather than Anthony spearfishing under, so guys. We are throw 2 line and roast 2 fish and easy back. Sun hot, but you don't know. Boom, outside. Yeah, line up the food now, guys. Got some Maggi seasoning, some fish seasoning. I'm gonna score up the fish them, guys. And then once he score those up, he's gonna season those up and get those on the grill, and we'll just roast them up and just feast on some of that. Is it? So stay tuned, guys. Outside with it. Hey, use something heavy and knock it first. Like this. This is what I do. Watch. Hold it steady. And that's it. Hey guys, so hold on, man. What's that? Yeah, look at that, buddy. Yeah, so we got the lobsters and stuff, guys. We're just here roasting up some fish, guys. Hanging out on the beach with Anthony spearfishing and Rod from Canada, guys. And we're just here. And Rod is wearing one of my favorite engines, Cat. You know, I'll tell you about that. A little 600 blacktop Cat that I used to drive with 18 speed with 391 ratios with 22.5 low profile tires, and he used to run across the streets at 40 miles an hour. But it is what it is, guys.
My son-in-law Ben will be happy to hear that. He works for fitting.
Yeah.
He's a mechanic on cats.
I've been driving cats in Detroit my whole life. Yeah. Yeah, man, people. Yep. Well, I guess the first taste test.
Nice. Yeah, man, that's good.
Yeah. You got the first taste test of the roast fish on the grill, guys. Look at that.
That's dynamite, man. Right. Dynamite, boys. Good job. This is the whole reason I came. This will be the highlight of my trip. This is the whole reason I came down here. I wanted to eat fish that we caught right here with these guys, and I wanted to eat it on a leaf, man. Yeah. That was my whole goal. I've been watching videos of you guys. Yeah. You guys are always out here. I love it.
That is it. Yeah.
Larry over here.
Larry snuck and took a plate.
Yep.
Snuck her fish up quick. I know she's hungry, guys. She's been on the road with us all day and she's been so great. She has not complained, and we've been at it all day. And trust me, we haven't even stopped for lunch. So she's been so great at it, guys. Thank her for that, and thank you, Laurie. Appreciate that. You've been patient with me today. So it's been like that. That's what's up, guys. We outside. We have the line them still set. Anthony's here, same way. Anthony dive, shoot some fish. Yeah, man. We'll go somewhere here. I want to try some fish, guys. Yep, and lobster on fire, guys. Look at that. See here, guys. Raw fish. Yes. Outside. Look at this. It's all right. Nature provides for us.
Yep.
This is a real survivor situation. You're gonna think about a chocolate, or you're gonna grab a leaf.
Yeah.
What if you was in the wild and you didn't have any of these enemies? What would you do? What would your reaction to it?
Yeah. You know, you crash your plane or something.
Yep.
You gotta get down, you gotta assess. What do you got?
What do you got?
I need to survive the next 24 hours. Then I need to survive the next 24 after that. Then I gotta start figuring out, can I get out of here? Or do I gotta find a way to survive for the next year?
30 days or a year.
I have food. Make food. Eat.
Water is the first thing.
Yep. Water and shelter.
You need fresh water before you can even think about food. You got 24 hours to find water. Or you're in trouble. Here you got probably less.
Yep.
What if you're on a desert?
Yeah, but in Canada, like certain parts of Canada, you have half an hour to build a fire, or you're going to die hypothermia.
Or you're gonna die of cold.
Well, you got to assess what your dangers are and go from there.
What's your life-threatening situation?
Yeah, what's the first thing that can kill me right here?
Yep. Whether it's the coyotes or the bears or whatever. What's that? Proper.
We have bears right in our neighborhood.
I watched it today when I remember.
Bears come right into town.
Yeah, guys. So, I built up some seasoning last night, guys. It was me and Anthony in the house till about 1 o'clock in the morning last night, and we was up. Anthony was doing some work on his phone, and she went in the kitchen and was like, Anthony, you know I'm not going on this trip tomorrow without making some seasoning, because I got Rod that's coming tomorrow, and we're going to go out fishing, and he wants to roast fish on the beach.
Off the expectations.
Yeah. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to make some seasoning, and I got the bottle, put it in the fridge. And this morning we got up, we packed up, and just head out. Yeah, man. That's what's up, guys. Anthony, you couldn't even throw a couple of the shrimps in that friggin'. No, look at the way he looked at me. He's like, what? Shrimp? Are you kidding me? Why not? The shrimp will cook even quicker, and they're pretty good when you jerk them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I grab some. Here. There you go. There, on there. Ready.
Alright, that's good.
Yep. There's another fish here for you, Rod. You heard me? Another fish here for you.
enjoy everything.
I know, bro. He's enjoying it, bro. I know he's really enjoying it. I'm enjoying it too. This is what's up, roast fish on the beach, natural vibes.
Left on here.
One more? One more here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, boy.
That's right.
You should save one for your wife.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna hopefully catch some.
You can
around
chuck that in the water.
next couple days.
That's good. Yep. Watch, you're gonna hook up on a big friggin' barracuda over there. You see that same silver lure?
Yeah.
Well, use that silver lure over that palladium, and you're gonna send me a picture, be like, dude, look quite good.
Give it to the.
Give it to the chef, let him cook it up for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, so come on. Hey guys, got Rod here enjoying his river sit down. This.
It's a good way to eat when you're sloppy too, because it
Oh,
always goes into the water.
Yep. And I'm sure the fish below you will enjoy it.
Coming for the next one.
Yeah. Or get the bait fatter for the big fish.
Yeah.
One of the two. Come on. I got a fish on, dude.
It's a nice one, eh? Look at the color,
Yeah.
nice yellow, eh?
We just hold that brim a while ago.
Brim thing?
Yeah, it's a brim, right? That's what they call them.
Yeah.
Brim. Yeah. So
Always with
if
the
you know the
spikes.
name of this fish, guys, let me know.
Matches my shirt.
Yep. Look at that. The biggest catch of the day, guys.
Yeah, that would have been a good eater.
Yep.
We had enough. That'll
Yep.
go in the cooler.
We'll throw in the cooler and take it home. All right, that's what's up. Okay, guys.